Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to play games on Netflix mobile. First of all, you can open the Netflix application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply scroll down, and here you will find the option mobile games. Now you can tap on my list, and here you will see the option browse games. Tap on it, and now you can see the games. I can select this game because I want to play this game. After selecting the game, you will see the option get game. Now tap on get game, and after this you will see the option get at very last in your app store. Tap on get, and now just simply enter the Apple ID password to download this game. And this is the way you can play games on Netflix mobile. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.